Hi, I'm Damini Celebre. In this video, we're going to talk about transformation, and it's not what you think it is. The fifth phase of the Soulscape process is transform. Transformation, or joy, or happiness, as I like to call it, is a state of being where you are happy with who you are. Sure, the good and the bad and the perfect are still there, but now you are comfortable in your skin. Your emotions, your feelings are no longer running the show, or maybe they're running the show a little bit less. But you feel grounded, in control, and steady in who you are. You know your yes. And because you can trust your intuition, you can now look inside yourself for guidance instead of outside yourself for information. The only way that you can be your whole bright being is to integrate all of you, not just the parts you like. Transformation is that moment of understanding, of acceptance, of, oh, that's a part of me. And what comes after transformation is the next step on your healing journey. But with each step, you hold a bit more happiness for who you are and how you are in the world.